Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Zach Bryan has his little songs lately here on Garden Guitar, and we're gonna look at this one, American Nights. Okay, so American Nights is another great song from him, perfect for guitar. So we're gonna use a capo to get everything right here. The capo is set on the 2nd fret. That's the best scenario for us. Let's take a look at the 4 chords needed for this song. All right, so 4 chords. We're gonna start with C sharp minor, and that's a bar chord. You play the bar on the 4th fret and bar 5 strings from bottom and up like this, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. We have the next chord, which is the B. I'm gonna go with the sus version, so you just have a bar on the 2nd fret, same strings, 5 strings from bottom up, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. And then we have the A, sus, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, open E, and the final chord is E. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we're going to look at the strumming pattern now, starting with C sharp minor. And the strumming pattern is divided into 2 different parts because we need to split it later on in the song. So if you grab the C sharp minor, you have one full round like this. And the first part is down, down, up. So I like to play the first down on the bass strings, and then the rest, both part 1 and part 2, everything, the rest of the strumming will be a bit mid on the mid and higher string area where you strum, okay? So down, down, up, that's the first part. And then the second part will be simply up, down, up. So if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, down, up. Have it. And we're going to look at the different parts of the song. We have the verse play, and it is one full strumming around for the following chords: C sharp minor, E, A, and back to E. That is one round, and you're going to play for 2 chord progression rounds here in the first verse. Okay, so like this. The second time. So there you have it. I can just mention in the final verse, the 3rd verse, you're gonna play it for 4 rounds, okay? Otherwise, it's 2 rounds of this chord progression. Over now to the chorus, and here we have 2 rows, so to speak, where you have to play the chords. So the first half of a row will be C sharp minor to B, A, and then E. But you're not gonna play in the same way throughout here, because you're gonna play the C sharp minor just 1 down, then B sus just 1 down, and then A sus part 1, the down, down, up, and then E 2 full rounds. So that's the first half of the chorus. The second half is to apply the same playing but different chords now. Now you're gonna start from the E where you ended the first half. You're gonna play 1 down on E, and then 1 down on the A, and then the part 1 on B sus, and then 2 full round on the final chord, which is the C sharp minor. So if you consider all this for 1 chord progression rounds, you're gonna play for 2 rounds of both of these choruses, okay? But we're not finished yet here. That's the first part of the chorus, so to speak. I'm gonna give you 1 full round of the chords we already learned here so far. So let's go. played that part for 2 rounds, and then you have just the ending, which is A, part 1, C sharp minor, part 1, B sus, part 1, and E 2 full rounds. You're gonna play for only this 1 round. Okay, so it goes. That is the end of a course. Okay, so for both these courses in this song, you're gonna play it in the same way. So C sharp, B, A, E, E, A, B, and C sharp. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, and then you're gonna end it with A, C sharp, B, and E. All right, after the choruses comes an instrumental part every time, and that will be 1 full string around for the following chords: C sharp, E, A, and E. So that is the same as the verse play. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. Okay? And after the second instrumental part, where you played everything now for 2 rounds, so to speak, you have the outro part left. And that is simply to play the C sharp, E, A, and E. You're gonna play it for just 1 down per chord. Okay? So E, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So again, C sharp, E, A, and E. And that is how the song ends from Zach Bryan, called American Nights. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. You had the tools now, the verse, the chorus, the instrumental parts, and outro to put everything together and handle the song. Hope you enjoyed it, and if it was helpful, please help me back. Show me some love, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Till next time, play tuned.